So, these are the Microsoft Surface Headphones 3. And if Microsoft's claims are true, they're supposed to be the ultimate headphones for productivity, focus, and everyday listening. But here's the thing. In a world dominated by heavy hitters like Sony and Bose, Microsoft isn't exactly the first brand people think of for audio gear. So after using these for work calls, music, travel, and late-night editing sessions, I discovered something interesting that Microsoft's marketing barely talks about. Microsoft Surface Headphones 3 Product Overview. The Surface Headphones 3 are Microsoft's latest premium over-ear wireless headphones, designed mainly for professionals, remote workers, and people deep in the Microsoft ecosystem. Earlier Surface Headphones models were known for something pretty unique: rotating ear cup dials that control volume and noise cancellation instead of the typical touch gestures. And Microsoft has leaned into that design again here. Like previous generations, they focus heavily on productivity features, things like clear voice calls, smart noise cancellation, and deep integration with Windows PCs and Microsoft 365 apps. Earlier models even supported up to 13 levels of adjustable noise cancellation and about 20 hours of battery life. Microsoft Surface Headphones 3 Performance. I use them for everything from Zoom meetings and Microsoft Teams calls to music and podcasts while working, and the biggest standout here is how well they handle voices. Speech clarity is excellent. Your voice comes through clean during calls, and background noise gets filtered out really effectively. That's actually something previous Surface models were praised for, especially in work-from-home setups where call quality really matters. For music, the sound profile leans toward balanced and clean, rather than bass-heavy. So if you're expecting the thunderous bass you might get from Sony headphones, this isn't quite that. But for long listening sessions like coding, writing, or editing, it's actually really comfortable to listen to. Noise cancellation is strong enough to block out office chatter, airplane noise, or the constant hum of a coffee shop. Features and tech. Let's talk about some standout features, because this is where Microsoft tries to differentiate itself. First up, the rotating ear cup dials. Instead of tapping or swiping, you just twist the outer ring of the ear cup to adjust volume or noise cancellation. It sounds simple, but in practice, it's one of the most intuitive headphone controls out there. Second, there's adaptive noise cancellation. You can dial it up to block everything out, or dial it down so you can still hear people around you. Great if you're working in an office or waiting for announcements at an airport. Third is Microsoft ecosystem integration. These headphones play really nicely with Windows PCs and Microsoft 365 apps. Voice dictation, meeting controls, and device switching feel much smoother compared to generic Bluetooth headphones. Design and build. Aesthetically, Microsoft absolutely nailed the design here. The Surface Headphones 3 keep that minimalist Surface look, clean lines, matte finishes, and a very understated style. They feel premium without being flashy. The ear cushions are soft and breathable, which makes a big difference during long sessions. I've worn these for 3-hour editing blocks, and they stayed comfortable the entire time. Another nice touch, the ear cups rotate flat, which makes them much easier to wear around your neck or slide into a bag. Pros. Extremely intuitive ear cup dial controls. Excellent call quality and voice clarity. Great integration with Windows and Microsoft apps. Cons. Sound quality is good, but not class-leading. Ecosystem features work best mainly with Windows devices. Final verdict. If you're someone who spends a lot of time on video calls, working remotely, or living inside the Microsoft ecosystem, these make a ton of sense. The call quality, dial controls, and productivity features genuinely stand out. But if your main priority is pure music performance, something like the Sony WH-10000XM series or Apple AirPods Max might deliver a richer sound experience. That said, these headphones aren't trying to be the flashiest audio product. They're designed to help you focus, work, and stay connected without distractions. And for that specific audience, they're actually one of the most underrated headphone options out there.